Okay. Hello students, let us continue with the next class of quadratic expressions. Let us look into the next question. Find the values of m for which following equations have equal roots. Let us take the first example. X square minus 15 minus m 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. He says that this quadratic equation has equal roots. What is the condition of having equal roots? Whenever it has equal roots, that means delta is equal to 0. The discriminant is equal to 0. First, let us write this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation, x square minus 15 minus 2mx plus 8m is equal to 0. I will rearrange it in this form. X square minus 2mx plus 8m minus 15 is equal to 0. The above equation has equal roots. If it has equal roots, what is the condition? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, implies delta is equal to 0. What is delta? Minus 2m whole square minus 4 into a into c, that is 8m minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 2m square is 4m square minus 32m plus 60 is equal to 0. Now, if you can take 4 common, what do you get? M square minus 8m plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. So, let us factorize this. M square minus 8m plus 15 is equal to 0. What are the factors? 3 and 5. M square minus 3m minus 5m plus 15 is equal to 0. M into m minus 3 minus 5 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. Take m minus 3 common. M minus 3 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. M minus 3 is equal to 0 or m minus 5 is equal to 0. So, m is equal to 3 or m is equal to 5. So, the values of m are 3 or 5. The symbol implies here. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. Next problem in this, m plus 1 into x square plus 2 into m plus 3 x plus m plus 8 is equal to 0. Once again, delta is equal to 0. Come, let us compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, discriminant is equal to 0, that is delta is equal to 0. Since roots are real and equal. So what is delta here? 2 into m plus 3, 2 into m plus 3 whole square minus 4 into m plus 1 into m plus 8 is equal to 0. Let us open this. 4 into m plus 3 whole square, 4 into m square plus 8m plus m plus 8 is equal to 0. 4 into m square plus 6m plus 9 minus 4 into m square plus 9m plus 8 is equal to 0. Take 4 inside. 4m square plus 24m plus 36. 4 9s are 36 minus 4m square minus 36m minus 4 is minus 32 is equal to 0. Here 4m square minus 4m square get cancelled. 24m minus 36m, that will give you minus 12m plus 36 minus 32 plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 12m is equal to minus 4. M is equal to minus 4 by minus 12. M is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, M is equal to 1 by 3. Let us discuss the next problem. Third one, 2m plus 1 into x square plus 2 into m plus 3x plus m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, here discriminant is 0. Is equal to 0. This implies delta is equal to 0. This implies b square minus 4ac. 2 into m plus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2m plus 1 into m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, this implies 4 into m plus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2m square plus 10m plus m plus 5 is equal to 0. Plus 4 into m square plus 6m plus 9 minus 4 into 2m square plus 11m plus 5 is equal to 0. Let us take 4 inside. 4m square plus 24m plus 36 minus 8m square minus 44m minus 20 is equal to 0. Now, 4m square minus 8m square will give you minus 4m square. 24m minus 44m, that will give you minus 20m. Next, 36 minus 20, that will give you minus 16 is equal to 0. Take minus 4 common, you have m square plus 5m plus 4 is equal to 0. So m is equal to, let us check the signs once. ఇక్కడ కట్ చేయాలి కొంచెం. 6 this is plus, this will be minus. M is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here m is equal to minus 5 plus or minus under root of 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 by 2 into 1. M is equal to minus 5 plus or minus under root of 25 plus 20, this is 16 by 2. So m value is minus 5 plus or minus root 41 by 2. This is the m value. Let us go to the next question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, find the value of following expressions. Following expressions. What is given in the question? Given that alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. We have to find the value of expression. First expression 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. To take the LCM, LCM is alpha beta. Here you get beta plus alpha. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. What is alpha beta? C by a. A gets cancelled, you are left with minus b by c. The next expression, one by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Take the LCM, you get beta square plus alpha square by alpha square beta square. Beta square alpha square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha square beta square. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a whole square. What is alpha beta? C by a by alpha square beta square is c by a whole square. Now what it will give you? Minus b by a whole square will be b square by a square minus 2c by a by c square by a square. So here the LCM is a square b square minus 2ac by c square by a square. A square gets cancelled. You have b square minus 2ac by c square. Let us go to the next problem. Third problem. Alpha power 4 beta power 7 plus alpha power 7 beta power 4. Now from these two you can at least take alpha power 4 beta power 4 common, then you have beta cube plus alpha cube. Alpha power 4 beta power 4, beta cube plus alpha cube can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha beta value c by a whole power 4, alpha plus beta minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into c by a, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Now this is c power 4 by a power 4 into minus b cube by a cube plus 3bc by a square. Here the LCM is c power 4 by a power 4 into a cube minus b cube plus, since LCM is a cube, 1a is missing here. So here you get 3abc. That is about it. So this can be written as c power 4 by a power 4 into 3abc minus b cube by a cube. That's all for today, children. We'll continue in the next class.